In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an instant form on Facebook ads. Let's dive right in and streamline your advertising efforts efficiently. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. This is your central hub for creating, managing, and optimizing your Facebook ads. You can find it by searching Facebook Ads Manager on Google and clicking the link from the search results. Once you are at the Facebook Ads Manager homepage, you'll see a button that says Go to Ads Manager. Click on this to proceed further into the platform. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This step ensures that you have access to your specific advertising account to make the necessary changes. Follow this by hitting the Login button. After you've logged in, you're now ready to manage your campaigns. Click on Campaigns Dashboard to see an overview of all the campaigns you're currently running. From this dashboard, select the specific campaign you want to modify. This will provide you access to detailed campaign settings and options. With your campaign selected, it's time to make edits to the instant form. Begin by clicking the Edit button. At this point, a confirmation pop-up might appear asking you if you're sure you want to make changes. Click OK to proceed. Next, navigate to the ad you want to modify within your chosen campaign. Scroll down to find the section labelled Destination. This is where you'll locate the instant form settings, offering direct options for editing. The flexibility here allows you to tailor the form according to your campaign goals, making it more engaging for the audience you wish to reach. If you prefer to experiment with changes without altering your existing form, you can duplicate the form. It's an excellent feature if you want to A/B test different form configurations. After duplication, you have the ability to edit the form and tweak various aspects such as questions and design to fit your campaign's needs better. As you've seen, it's a straightforward process to update and refine your instant forms on Facebook ads. These adjustments can significantly enhance your ad performance by providing a more tailored experience for your potential customers. Utilize these editing options thoughtfully, and you'll likely notice positive results in your advertising metrics. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on editing instant forms within Facebook ads. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult the help resources available on Facebook's Business Tools site. Until next time, happy advertising.